Hello and welcome to our next set of interviews. Today you've got me, Mr. Cross, interviewing Mrs. Hickman. Okay, straight in with our first question. Why did you choose to go into teaching?
Okay, so I'm quite new to teaching.
So, okay, how new are you to teaching?
This will be my third year
Wow.
at teaching. Okay, so if I go back 16 odd years, that's when I became a graphic designer. I went to university, studied at a university of Central Lancashire, did a 4-year placement there. So I obviously did my degree. I worked out in industry for a year as well. Sort of fast forwarding 14 years after that, I decided that I took a little bit of time out. Obviously had my children, my 2 boys, and then decided I wanted to keep my design roots and my passion for design, but how could I utilise that going forward? So I thought, well, the best thing, maybe I could teach younger children.
Already answered my next question, so I'm going to skip ahead. What is the best thing about working at Bishop's?
Okay, so I will try and compare between me working out in industry and then working in a school environment. 2 very different, obviously, environments. Working out in industry, it can be quite, you're working on your own quite a lot. Obviously it's high pressured as well, but you are sort of on your own, and it is very competitive. Being in the school environments, particularly Bishop's, it's very teamwork environment. So you work within the departments, and it's a really nice team. We get on really well, and we bounce ideas off each other daily, and we help each other out. Again, as a whole school community as well, I feel that is, you know, really the school sort of ethos as well. We help each other, support each other along our journey.
So, what has been your highlight over the past 3 years?
Okay, so a female, as a female engineering DT teacher, for me, the highlight and what I really get passionate about is actually inspiring young female pupils to really, you know, bring out their creative side, help and inspire them to, you know, learn the skills and develop the skills throughout their 7-year journey. It's also really, really exciting and inspiring for me when I see them, you know, opt in for A level and then taking it further. That's something that really does excite me, and I'm proud of that.
No, that is fantastic. It's been really good to see more students joining our kind of GCSE A level courses and those at the top levels.
Mm-hmm.
So it's superb. So the final question for you: what would you be doing if you weren't a DT teacher?
Okay, so if I wasn't a DT teacher and maybe I wasn't going to go back into graphics, something that I really enjoy outside of school and sort of in my free time is fitness. So I'd probably be a fitness instructor or something.
Oh, fantastic. Yeah. Thank you very much for joining us today, Mrs. Hickman. I hope that wasn't too painful for you.